Welcome back to Bo's Reef Life, and in this video we're going to be changing out the fan in the Hydro 52 HD light. Well, with the Hydro 52, the fan plugs in right there. Well, it runs underneath the circuit board. The problem is you'd have to pop off the circuit board on top. And as you can see, there's a lot of prongs right there and all of them down through there. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole on the other side. Instead of down there, we're going to plug it and drill it up here. And it'll pop out right here. Then we can just take that cable and plug it straight in. If we ever have to replace it, we can just unplug it right. We can just unplug it, take it through, throw it away, and get a new one. Well, we drilled the hole where I was talking about. As you can see, it's directly across from where the other one used to be. So it actually turned out really good. And as you can see, here it is. We already got the wire poked through, and it'll go directly into that outlet. All you gotta do is split them two wires, and you can re-bolt it right there in the center. And there we go. I put a piece of electrical tape to hold the wires, and all you gotta do is split them down the middle, and you can put your cover back on top, and put all your screws back in, put the cover over your fan, and you're ready to roll. Well, I hope this might have helped some of y'all out. I know I was kind of confused myself, but if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on